全球其中一條最長嘅斜拉橋，而係貫通新界西北部同港島特區嘅3號幹線主要部分之一。
This is the Left Island, the linkage between Chinese Island and Left Island, composing two bridges across Cap Shurian and Ma Wan Channel respectively. The Chima Bridge is open for traffic. The 2.2 kilometers long structure has become a prominent landmark as the world's largest train suspension bridge. On your left, Timber Bridge. It is one of the world's longest cable-stayed bridge and a major component of Route 3, linking the northwestern territories with Hong Kong Island in Kowloon.
这里是青屿干线，由两组分别跨越碧桂园和马湾海峡的大